show you how to factory reset a pair of Sony headphones. This is the WH-XB910N model. So you basically want to do a factory reset. If you have issues like connecting or pairing, the factory reset can help. Okay, so it's very simple here. So if I look at these headphones here, I can see I got the power button here and the noise cancellation button here. Okay, so what you want to do is press and hold those and wait for it to blink blue a few times, and then once it's solid blue, then let go. Okay, so just first thing is just go ahead and make sure that your headphones are turned off. So let me just make sure my headphones are turned off. I just turned it on now. Let me go ahead and turn it off. Hold the button for a few seconds and I just heard it saying it's turning off. Okay, it's off now. Let's go ahead and factory reset these. All right, power button, noise cancellation button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons and keep on holding. You probably want to hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Just keep on holding until it blinks blue a few times, then it stops. There it is. It just blinked a few times, and now it's a solid blue. Go ahead and let go, and you just factory reset your Sony headphones. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.